Hey there, this is Vanessa DeBurlet, and welcome to my channel, Affiliate Marketing Mastery, where you can learn to earn a passive income guilt-free. And today we're going to talk about email marketing. I know I've talked about it before, but I can't stress enough how important this one puzzle piece is to your business. I'm going to explain what it is, and then I'm going to give you a resource of where you can go to get the specifics and really dig in and go step by step and start your email marketing part of your business. Email marketing is, let's say, for example, you went online and you're Googling vitamins, and one of the places that you go is they give you all the details about how good their vitamins are, and then they offer you a guide of why vitamins are important. And you're like, well, I really want that. It's free. So you give them your email and you get that free ebook or that free checklist or that free guide. You just bought in to their email marketing list. You just subscribe to their list. Now, anytime you get an email from that company, they'll continue to give you more information, continue to try to sell you more products, but most importantly, they will also give you the opportunity to unsubscribe to the list. So you're never on those lists against your will. You always have an opportunity to get off of them. But the important thing is, why do you need an email marketing list? Let's say you're building your business on Facebook and you have built this huge following, 30,000 people. We're just going to say it's huge. You're really successful and you're like, I don't need to go out and get on other platforms. This is for me. What happens if Facebook shuts down? They own that platform. You do not own those customers. But if you had been collecting their emails and keeping them off to the side on an email list for email marketing, then you still have that list of 30,000 customers, and it's okay if Facebook shuts down. You can just continue to communicate with that list of customers through email. And that's why it is so important, because you don't own the social media platforms, you're just using them. So I can't stress that enough of how important that is. And if you don't really want to sell things through your list, you don't have to. You can provide your people with information and continue to educate them and continue to build a good relationship. But typically they expect you to offer them things because you have become the expert in your field, and they want you to go find those things that are going to help them in that area. Just like vitamins, if you find another company that has better vitamins, maybe in a certain area, you're going to share that information, and they're going to trust you because they've been on your email list and they know you, they like you, and they trust you. So therefore they will buy from you. All right. In a nutshell, what is email marketing, or how do you collect emails? Whenever you are posting, let me get my pointer here. Whenever you're posting on your social media platform, this is where you're driving traffic into a landing page, which is typically on a funnel. I've talked about that before. I can put a link below for you for ClickFunnels. They have one of the best funnel programs around. You can drive them to your website if you want, but you have to drive them someplace, to your storefront per se, or to a landing page. And it's on that page that you ask them for their name, and then you ask them for their email address, and then you tell them thank you. You send them that free thing that you promised them, and you say thank you. It's that simple, 2 steps. And you can drive people in from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, wherever you want. Now, people that have been around for a while, you will see them on several different platforms because they've had time to build up one platform at a time. If you are brand new, pick one platform and stick to it. And I know it's so tempting to go out there and say, well, wait a minute, I want to build up my numbers. That credibility and those numbers will come with time. Just hang in there, keep building up that one platform, and then once you're solidified on that platform, you can start another one. All right. Now, what happens now that you have this email list? So here I have all these names on my email list. Let's say I have 2,000 names. What do I do with them? Well, I can start out by giving them an email sequence of maybe 5 different emails, every day in a row, and just help them to get to know me. And that's called kind of like the honeymoon period, if that makes sense. And then from there, I might do broadcast. I personally do broadcast twice a week. I do them on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I just sit down and I write out maybe 2 to 4 at a time, and I schedule them, and then they're ready to go out to my email list. In the beginning, my email people, they are on a sequence of, I think I have it at 17 days in a row, and then after that every 2 times a week. Now, how do you learn what do you know what to write, or how do you even know how to begin? In the beginning, I totally did not want to do this. I didn't want to write emails. I didn't really understand what it was for or the importance of having the people's email addresses as my customers. It wasn't until I got this book. It's called .com Secrets by Russell Brunson, and this book has become like a Bible to my business. It's separated into 4 different sections, and there's a whole section. So 25% of the book is about email marketing and how you can begin your sequences and write them. And one of the tips, Russell Brunson goes into it, and he tells you how, he gives you an example of what his first 5 are, that honeymoon period. I took, at first I was like, I don't want to keep opening up these emails and I have to write them and then I have to close them out. I wrote mine on a Word document. I just sat down and wrote them out one after another on a Word document. Now, the cool thing about that is when you're new, obviously you're going to write what you know. 3 months down the road, you might think, ugh, I might want to change these a little bit. Well, the cool thing about having my Word document is I can see them all in one place. I can go in and update them and then copy and paste them and put them into the sequence. Now you're saying, well, what sequence? What are you talking about? Well, you need to have an auto responder, kind of like the mailman. Where am I going to put my letters? Who's going to deliver them? I have a link below of an auto responder for you. There are tons of them out there, but just go in and look at the one below. I think I put Active Campaign down there. I just picked one. Go in, I think they have like a 30-day free trial, and you can go in and look at it and start using it, see how it works. There's all kinds of training and tutorials on there. One of the neat things about Active Campaign is you can even redirect your email respondent. So let's say you go to sell something in your 23rd email and somebody buys it. Well, you can kick them off into a different group. That these are people who are serious about wanting to do business, and they buy things and they really want to, learn the skills they need for their business. So I'm going to send them more detailed emails than these people over here, where I don't even know if they're really interested or not. So you can start putting rules in there and flowing them off into different directions. It can get complicated, but start out simple. Just keep it simple. Just like anything else when you learn it, just give yourself grace to learn and keep it simple. Do what you know to do, what's going to help you get through. And then as you understand it, then you start adding more steps and getting, crazy with it. All right. So below, don't forget, there's the .com Secrets book. There's a link down there. You can get this book for free, and all you pay is the shipping. That's it. Russell Brunson wrote the book, and he gives it away for free. You pay the shipping, and then you have it. And I promise you, it is a book that you will use. It is relevant in your business, and it doesn't matter what business you're in. If you're interested in collecting emails, email marketing, then you definitely want to read that section of this book. He lays it out for you really well. I've also put a link down there for the autoresponder Active Campaign, and then I put a link down there for ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels also has a 2-week period as well, so you can check out all 3 things for free. See that? And see if they're right for you. If they're not, then go Google and find other things and find out what the right tools are for you. Not everybody's the same. Thank you for coming today. Give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. If you have any questions, ask them below, and subscribe to my channel. I put a video out every single day to help you build your business and in different ways. I concentrate on affiliate marketing, but some of the tips like today can be for any business. All right. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you on the next video.